Do you dream of backyard pizza parties featuring restaurant-quality pizzas cooked in minutes? Do you crave the satisfaction of mastering the art of pizza making with authentic wood-fired flavor? The Ooni Karu 12 multi-fuel outdoor pizza oven might be the answer to your culinary desires. This feature-rich pizza oven boasts versatility, portability, and scorching temperatures, promising to elevate your outdoor cooking experiences. Let's delve deeper into the functionalities, potential drawbacks, and overall effectiveness of the Ooni Karu 12 to see if it's the perfect addition to your pizza-making arsenal. Blazing hot and fast. Unleash the power of wood, charcoal, or gas. The Ooni Karu 12 shines with its ability to utilize multiple fuel sources. Fire it up with real wood or charcoal straight out of the box for that classic wood-fired flavor. The custom-designed fuel tray maximizes airflow, ensuring efficient burning and searing heat. For added convenience, the Ooni Karu 12 is compatible with the Ooni gas burner attachment sold separately, allowing you to switch to gas for even faster heating. No matter your fuel preference, the Ooni Karu 12 reaches a staggering 950 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 minutes, allowing you to cook authentic stone-baked pizzas in a mere 60 seconds. Portable powerhouse. Take your pizza expertise on the go. While boasting impressive power, the Ooni Karu 12 doesn't compromise on portability. Weighing in at a manageable 26.4 pounds, this pizza oven is surprisingly lightweight and can be easily moved around your backyard or patio. The foldable legs and removable chimney further enhance its portability, making it ideal for taking your pizza-making skills on camping adventures or tailgating gatherings. More than just pizza, a versatile oven for culinary adventures, the Ooni Karu 12 isn't limited to just pizza perfection. With its scorching temperatures, it can be your gateway to a world of outdoor culinary exploration. Use it to sear steaks, grill fish, or roast vegetables, all while infusing them with that smoky, wood-fired flavor. Ooni offers a cast iron cookware range that expands the oven's versatility even further, allowing you to bake, broil, and experiment with various recipes. Embrace the #make pizza lifestyle, a commitment to pizza perfection. Ooni doesn't just sell pizza ovens, they cultivate a pizza-making lifestyle. The company's motto, "Great Pizza," reflects its dedication to empowering everyone to enjoy restaurant-quality pizzas at home. The Ooni Karu 12 is designed with this philosophy in mind, making it easy to learn the art of pizza making and become a true Pizzaiolo. Ooni's online resources and community provide additional support as you embark on your pizza-making journey. A few considerations before you buy: gas burner and learning curve. While the Ooni Karu 12 presents a compelling set of features, there are a few factors to consider before making a purchase. The Ooni gas burner attachment is sold separately, so you'll need to factor in the additional cost if you want the gas-fired option. Additionally, mastering the art of wood-fired pizza making requires some practice. The intense heat of the Ooni Karu 12 might have a slight learning curve, especially for beginners. The verdict: a multi-talented performer for pizza perfection and outdoor cooking adventures. Overall, the Ooni Karu 12 multi-fuel outdoor pizza oven is a strong contender for anyone who craves the power and versatility to create restaurant-quality pizzas at home or outdoors. The scorching temperatures, multi-fuel options, and portability make it a standout choice. The potential for exploring various culinary applications beyond pizza adds to its appeal. While there's an additional cost for the gas burner and a learning curve for wood-fired cooking, the rewards of becoming a Pizzaiolo and enjoying delicious outdoor cooking experiences are undeniable. If you're looking for a premium pizza oven that delivers exceptional performance, portability, and the ability to explore various fuels and cooking styles, then the Ooni Karu 12 multi-fuel outdoor pizza oven is worth considering. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.